The Nike Vomero 5 returns this fall 2025 with a fresh ochre colorway that blends seasonal tones with rugged appeal. Though the silhouette is often seen as a warm-weather staple, this edition leans into autumn aesthetics with ochre and flat gold hues reminiscent of classic workwear styles like Flax, Nikes or Timberlands. The color palette is further elevated by a metallic silver swoosh outlined in black, complementing the black lining and outsole. Adding a subtle contrast, the upper midsole incorporates light Orewood Brown. As usual, the build features breathable mesh underlays and premium suede overlays. While summer has just begun, the July 1st kickoff of the fall 2025 fashion season offers a first glimpse of what's ahead. Set to retail for $170, the Nike Vomero 5 Ochre is expected to release toward the tail end of the season, around late August or September, just in time for cooler, leaf-covered days.